Join me as I dive into my own financial habits and challenge myself to uncover the biggest money mistakes I might be making right now. Let's face it, managing your finances can be tough, especially with the constant temptation to spend and the pressure to keep up with the latest trends. But, identifying and rectifying common financial mistakes is crucial for a more secure financial future. Making these mistakes can lead to financial stress, anxiety, and a whole lot of sleepless nights. So, I'm on a mission to uncover the most common financial mistakes that might be holding you back. Overspending is one of the most common financial mistakes people make. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of buying things we don't need, just to keep up with others or to feel good in the moment. But, overspending can quickly lead to debt, which can be really hard to pay off. Another mistake is not having enough savings. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. Without a safety net, you might be forced to go into debt or dip into your retirement fund. Poor investment choices are also a common mistake. Investing in the stock market or other assets can be intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But, making informed decisions and doing your research can help you avoid costly mistakes. Taking a closer look at overspending, it's often a sign of a deeper issue, like a lack of financial goals or a tendency to prioritize short-term gains over long-term benefits. For example, buying a brand new car might seem like a great idea, but it can quickly depreciate in value and leave you with a hefty loan to pay off. Not having enough savings can also lead to financial stress, especially when unexpected expenses arise. Imagine your car breaks down or you need to pay for a medical emergency. Having a cushion of savings can be a lifesaver. Poor investment choices can be costly, too. Investing in a stock that tanks or a scheme that's not legitimate can lead to significant losses. It's essential to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes. One of the most significant mistakes that could lead to financial ruin is not having a solid emergency fund in place. This fund acts as a safety net for life's unexpected events, like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. Without it, you might be forced to take on high-interest debt or make financial decisions that can have long-term consequences. For instance, I recall a friend who lost their job unexpectedly and had to dip into their 401 to cover living expenses. They ended up paying a hefty penalty and losing out on potential long-term growth. To avoid financial mistakes, it's essential to be proactive and take control of your finances. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can start making changes today. Take a closer look at your spending habits, create a budget that works for you, and prioritize building an emergency fund. If you've made any of these financial mistakes, don't worry, you're not alone. Share with me in the comments below what financial mistakes you've made in the past and how you're working to fix them. And, if you want to learn more about improving your financial literacy, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some actionable tips to help you get back on track.